The first time I heard about people making thousands of dollars a month using AI, I was skeptical. It sounded like one of those overhyped trends that disappear just as quickly as they emerge. But as someone always on the lookout for new opportunities, I decided to dive in and see for myself. Fast forward a few months, and I'm consistently making over $5,000 per month, all thanks to AI. No coding skills, no massive upfront investment, and no complicated tech setup, just a willingness to learn and adapt. If you've been wondering how to use AI to create an income stream, this step-by-step guide will walk you through exactly what I did so you can do it too. Step 1. Identifying profitable AI-powered opportunities. The first step was to figure out what I could do with AI that would actually make money. AI can automate so many tasks, but not all of them are profitable. After researching different income streams, I found a few promising ways to leverage AI for financial gain. AI-generated content, writing articles, blog posts, and social media content with AI tools. AI video creation, using AI to generate faceless YouTube videos, explainer videos, and promotional ads. AI-generated art and design, selling AI-generated art, logos, and graphics on platforms like Etsy and Fiverr. AI chatbots and automation, creating chatbots for small businesses to automate customer service. AI voiceovers and audiobooks, using AI to generate realistic voiceovers for businesses, YouTube channels, and self-published audiobooks. I tested a few of these, but two stood out as the most profitable and scalable: AI-generated content and AI video creation. Step 2. Setting up AI content generation for passive income. One of the fastest ways I started making money was by using AI to write content for blogs and websites. Businesses and content creators constantly need fresh content, and AI tools can generate high-quality articles in minutes. Here's how I made it work. I signed up for AI writing tools. There are plenty of options out there, like ChatGPT, Jasper, and Copy.ai. I tested different ones and found the best ones for my needs. I found clients on freelance platforms. I created profiles on Fiverr, Upwork, and Plepperhor, offering AI-assisted content writing. Many businesses care more about quality and speed than whether an article was AI-generated. I built a website and blog. I used AI to write articles for my own blog, which started attracting traffic. I monetized with display ads and affiliate marketing. I sold AI-generated ebooks. AI made it easy to create full-length ebooks, which I sold on Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing (KDP). Within a month, I landed several writing gigs and saw my blog traffic grow. Soon, I was making a few $100s per week from content alone. Step 3. Scaling up with AI video creation. Once I had a steady income from AI-generated content, I moved on to another powerful AI money-making tool: automated video creation. AI-powered tools like Pictory, Synthesia, and Runway make it possible to create high-quality videos without showing your face. Here's the step-by-step breakdown of how I used AI to generate income with videos. I picked a niche with high demand. I chose a faceless YouTube channel theme that had monetization potential, such as personal finance, tech reviews, and motivational content. I used AI to generate scripts instead of spending hours writing. I let AI generate engaging scripts based on trending topics. I used AI voiceovers. AI-generated voices sound so realistic now that they can easily replace human narration. Tools like ElevenLabs, Murf, and Play.ht helped me create high-quality audio. I used AI to create visuals and animations. AI-powered video editors and stock footage platforms helped me create professional-looking videos in minutes. I uploaded consistently and optimized for SEO, posting videos regularly and using AI-driven SEO strategies helped my content reach a wider audience. After a couple of months, my YouTube channel started gaining traction. As views increased, so did ad revenue and sponsorship offers. Within 3 months, I was making over $2,000 per month from videos alone, the reality of making money with AI. Now, I want to be 100% honest: AI doesn't magically generate money. While it automates a lot of work, you still need strategy, creativity, and consistency. Some of my first AI ventures didn't work out, and there was a learning curve. But the beauty of AI is that once you master a few tools, the possibilities are endless. Whether you want to start a blog, a YouTube channel, a digital agency, or an AI-powered e-commerce store, the tools are there. You just need to use them effectively. Final thoughts. Looking back, I can say with confidence that using AI to make money has completely changed my approach to business. What once took hours or days can now be done in minutes. The biggest takeaway: AI is a tool. It won't make you rich overnight, but if used correctly, it can be an incredibly powerful asset. If you're ready to start your AI income journey, pick one of these methods and take action today. Whether you start with AI content, videos, or digital products, the key is to start. AI is evolving fast, and the sooner you leverage it, the better positioned you'll be. So, what's stopping you? Your AI-powered income stream could be just a few clicks away.